Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I just want to say thank you to every one of you that comes over to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. Also, if you are new to this channel, I will appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to be making gizzard and a plantain sauce. This is the gizzard that I'm going to be using. It is washed and clean, and I'm going to start boiling it or cooking it. So that is the gizzard. I just added onion and I'm adding seasonings. Use any seasonings of your choice. After adding the seasoning, I'm going to add water and start cooking it. Gizzard doesn't take a long time to cook. Between 5 to 10 minutes, your gizzard is ready. So after it is cooked, I have to sieve it out from the water and fry them. So before then, I will go ahead and start frying the plantain that I'm going to be using to add to the sauce. Don't forget that I'm making gizzard plantain sauce. So I just finished frying the plantain, and here is the gizzard that I am frying. I'm going to fry it very well so that it will be crunchy. Now I'm going to start making the sauce. I just added the onion. Now allow it to fry a bit so that the aroma will get into the oil. And that is the tomato, which includes bell pepper, onion, spicy pepper, and tomato plum. So I'm going to allow it to fry. So once it is well cooked, then I will start adding the gizzard and the fried plantain. Add seasonings of your choice. I just added chicken bouillon and garlic powder and thyme to the sauce. Make sure that you taste for salt. At this point, I'm going to be adding the fried gizzard. I will allow it to simmer or to cook for 5 to 10 minutes so that the sauce will get into the gizzard. As you are eating the gizzard, you are tasting the sauce. So I will let it sit for about 10 minutes. After that, I am going to be adding the plantain into the sauce. So this is the ripe plantain. I'm going to mix everything together and allow the sauce to also get into the plantain. I'm mixing it very well so that everything will be well incorporated. So I'm going to leave it for a few minutes so that the sauce will simmer down. And here is the plantain gizzard sauce. It is ready. You can eat this like this, or you have a side dish like a plain rice or pasta, or you just enjoy it like this. So I want to say thank you to every one of you that comes to watch my video, and if you have watched to this point, Do not hesitate to subscribe and hit the like button. And I'm going to see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.